This workout can burn as many calories as running, but it's a heck of a lot more fun. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and this is such a fun workout that I know you're gonna love. This is an excerpt from a full-length workout that can be found inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. By now, you've heard me talking about it over and over and over, and it's just because I love this program and this community specifically so much. So hey, Transformer team that's out there watching this right now. Rebounding is one of my favorite kinds of workouts because it is a calorie-burning powerhouse. It can burn as many calories as running. It's really supportive for your lymph system. It can really help you with immunity, and most importantly, I think it's just so much fun. And it's also a lot easier on your joints. So if you find like jumping around on the floor is not feeling good for you, I get it. You might want to try giving the rebounder a try. So let's get into this workout. If you tend to get shin splints, grab some sneakers. You can absolutely rebound without using shoes. I just personally prefer using sneakers because I do get shin splints. So let's get into it, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so let's get started on your little rebounder here and just start kind of walking. Why are we doing this? I know, but it helps you to feel the unstable nature of your rebounder. All right, now just start kind of prancing. All right, good, very good. Excellent. Pick it up. Try to work through your feet here. Now, I do like to use sneakers when I do rebounding because I tend to get shin splints. If you're like me, use shoes. If you really want to challenge your balance, try doing it without any shoes and see how you feel. All right? Very good. Excellent. Good. Now we're going to go into a basic bounce. Just basic bounce here. That's it. Good. Keep going here. So we're keeping our spine in neutral, shoulders down our back. That's it. Again, really feel the length in your spine here. Good. That's it. Excellent. So now we're gonna just work our inner and outer thighs a little bit. We go in, and out, and out. Squeeze those inner thighs, press them out. Squeeze and press them out. And press it out, that's it. Don't worry if you're not exactly on the same timing as me. Just do the best you can. Now in and out, just single counts. That's it. My arms are just free, and that's what's really fun about rebounding is that you're just kind of dancing on a little mini trampoline. That's it. Good. Go back to that little prance now. Prancing. Try to pick up the knees a little bit higher here. You'll find, especially if you have knee injuries, knee pains, this is a lot easier than doing it on the floor. Good. Keeping those abs pulled in, shoulders down your back. And really breathe. You'll see that the heart rate comes up pretty quickly. That's it. Good. Now we're going to go into jumping jacks with a pressing arm forward. Press it forward. Good. Regular jumping jack arms. If you want to go half jack arms, that's fine too. Good. Press it forward again. That's it. Smiling always helps. Jumping jacks. Good. 2 more sets like that. Press forward. Good. Full jacks. Last set. Here we go. Press forward. Good. Full jacks. Excellent. Good. Now kind of bring your feet forward and back. Forward and back. Good. Breathing here. I promise once you get used to using your rebounder, you don't even need to look down. When I first started, I used to be like, ugh. But it's normal to feel that way. And I promise with time, your body gets proprioception, which just means you start feeling your body, start experiencing your body. Good. So now we're gonna move into single, single, double. It's single, single, double, single, single. That's it, 1, 1, 2 bounces. That's it, you got it. 2 bounce, 2 bounce. Good. Back to single, single. Try to do a little movement with your waist here, just to get a little extra sculpting in the waist, in the obliques. Good. Back to single, single, double. We're gonna add arms. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single. Good, take it to the club. Single, single. 2 pumps. That's it. Back to jacks, full jacks. Breathe. You've got to keep going here. Good. I told you that was so much fun, and that's just really the tip of the iceberg. So I've gotten a lot of messages from you, specifically on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Because recently I did a carousel talking all about the benefits of rebounding, and everyone was asking me, where can I find rebounding workouts and which rebounder do you recommend? So fun fact, the rebounder that I like the most, it is under $60. So I will leave it linked down below in the description box, but really where you can find my full-length rebounding workouts are only found inside of Total Body Transformation. So go ahead and click here on the I or down below in the description box. Isn't it time for you to feel amazing and really transform your body? I would agree. So I will see you over in TBT. And if you want to keep hanging with me here on YouTube, check out this workout next, and I'll see you there.